How to remove or delete a newly created local account on Windows 10. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you also want to delete or remove a newly created local account on Windows 10, here's what you need to do. So first thing, just head over to search bar and simply search in for settings. So once you search in for settings, just open it, and once you open it, just head over to account section. So once you open the account option, now simply head over to this family and other users over here, where you can easily see under this other users if you have added one external wallet, that is your local account. Now you can just tap on any of the local account which you want to remove. Now you can also change the account type if you want to give a permission such as administrator permission. You can even provide that, but for now just tap on this remove button over here and just click on delete account and data. So deleting this person's account will remove all of their data from this PC, including the items on their desktop, downloads or documents, music and other files. And if this data hasn't been backed up or saved to another location such as another PC, it will be lost. So make sure to keep that in mind. If you need a backup, you can always create a backup. If you can even use your pen drive or other external devices such as external hard disks as well. So just tap on delete account and data, and just like that your local account will be successfully deleted or removed from your Windows 10. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.